Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find keyboard shortcuts in the Explain Everything application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find three dots. Press on it and here you can just press on keyboard shortcuts and wait a little bit now. And in this page you will be able to find all of the keyboard shortcuts. Now usually these shortcuts are only good for laptop users or computer users, so somebody that uses a tablet or a phone might not really benefit from this, but you can see basically the keyboard shortcuts here in case you want to use this application on a laptop, for example, like I said. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.